Just received my Marlboro's reward shipment. It is the hammock. So let's open it and see how it is. So it comes in a little bag. Nice if you want to move it somewhere. Kind of feels like tent material. Oh, the bag's attached. So I guess that'll just hang off the side or something. Oh, straps to hang it. Pretty nice. I wouldn't call them D-rings. What do they call these? I don't know. Clasps, I guess. Slightly adjustable. I guess they just cinch up once you sit in them, depending on how many. It says it'll fit two. But I don't know, I'm pretty big. Well, I got a spot over here. Let's see if it'll fit. Got a spot. I have a spot on my pergola here where I had a hammock mounted before, so I'm gonna see if it'll fit. It's about 8 feet apart. Got it hung up without the extension straps, but it's too high. It's about waist level or so, maybe a little higher. So came with 2 straps, but no like D-rings or anything on them, so I guess you just gotta tie them on there and adjust the length. Like I said, it feels just like tent material. I added about a 16-inch length on the one side and just tied this loop into a knot. Let's sit on it and see what happens. Hope it doesn't fall. Not bad. I don't think I could fit in it though. Maybe if I adjust each end so it's more even. I don't think I'm made for a hammock. Alright, well, there's the hammock that you can get with the Marlboro reward points. I think it's like 14,000 something points. I'll post that here. But I don't know. What do you think?